Yeah, today you are going to learn how equipment manufacturers can reduce their total cost to design, develop, and deliver equipment. Okay?
Hello, Stephen. What's happening? We have sort of a problem here. Yeah, apparently you forgot to put the new cover sheet on your TCD3 report.
TCD3. Oh, where we're looking to help our machine builder customers reduce their total cost to design, develop, and deliver. The cover sheet. Yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. You see, we're putting cover sheets on all the TCD3 reports before they go out. Did you get the memo on that?
Yeah, the memo. In fact, I have the cover sheet right here. But at the end of the day, the report's about so much more than the cover sheet. This is how we help our customers reduce the overall cost that goes into building equipment, whether that's in the design phase with folks like our Rockwell Automation Global OEM Tech Consultants, in the development phase, where we can help them with reusable engineering in the form of modular programming. Yeah,
I'm going to have to sort of disagree with you there. You see, our customers only care about the cost of the components.
but hardware typically only accounts for about 20% of the cost of the control system. The other 80% is made up of things like engineering, installation, warranty service, commissioning. If we can help reduce costs in those areas, our customers stand to benefit far more.
Yeah, that's great. I'm going to get you another copy of that memo, okay? Oh, and Steven, I'm going to need you to come in on Saturday, work on all this TCD3 stuff, okay? Thanks, Steven.
Damn, it feels good to be a guy.